The most startling evidence of Illuminati influence is with the Bilderberg Commission, arguably one of the most powerful groups in the world who many suspect of controlling the world's economy and even its governments.
The Bilderbergers came along in 1954, I think. They were founded by another Freemason, this guy Prince Bernhard, who was part of this Merovingian dynasty, as he claims, also affiliated with the Nazis. They used to meet in this hotel in the Netherlands called the Hotel Bilderberg, so they just started calling them the Bilderbergers. At one of their later meetings, David Rockefeller, who a lot of people see him as this huge kind of master puppet, kind of pulling the strings of world leaders, he proposed the idea at a Bilderberger meeting that we should have a commission, which later came to be called the Trilateral Commission, which is, coincidentally, there are three parts of the pyramid.
The purpose of the Bilderberg Group was a united Europe. Started with a common market. You now have the European Union that is desperately trying to get its member nations to ratify a constitution that will mean that the already top-heavy governments of these individual countries in Europe will now be run by a super top-heavy organization called the European Union. Bureaucrats will run all of Europe. There will be no borders, the rule of the few over the many.
There's a great deal of secrecy, especially with the Bilderbergers. There's a great deal of privacy of what goes on within the Council on Foreign Relations and the Trilateral Commission. And the fact that they want to try and shape the world as they see it, that's what is best for the world, and we know how to do that. That's what leads to lumping them in with the New World Order, the pyramid, the eye in the pyramid, lumping them in with Masonic traditions.